Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, today we've got something incredibly special on the channel. That's right, you're looking at, I hope I'm saying it right, Arya Strong. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now I know you clicked on something for Chesapeake Beard Company. We're going to get there in just one moment. But I want to get all this important stuff out of the way first, alright? Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, thank you for picking this video. I know it's a bit of a weird one, but bear with me, you're probably going to like it. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers of the channel, take a look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early, and you're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright, now I know you clicked on a thumbnail link, everything that says Chesapeake Beard Co., French Krush, Beard Oil, Beard Balm. I'm going to show you that in a moment. But this is kind of important, alright? I'm doing this review basically because it shows the goodness that is in people, and it shows how people love to give back. Now the bottle is that right there. And yes, you're hearing the cuteness factor in the background playing along. Now, Gary, the owner of Chesapeake Beard Co., his son has a childhood friend that got diagnosed with stage 4. I can't even remember the name of it, and I wrote it down. I can't even pronounce it. I'll sound like a dude strangling a duck, but stage 4 cancer. So his son, Kellen, decided to create a beard oil. He designed the label. He designed the scent. He designed the bottle. Kellen just did everything. As you can see by that little number right down there, it's a very, very limited run. And yes, this beard oil is gone. It's off of Chesapeake Beard Co.'s website. I didn't realize how limited it was, and when I went to do the homework video, I should say the homework last night to film this video, it's gone. But I'm still going to talk about it because what Gary's doing is just phenomenal. So let me give you some background info, okay? And oh yeah, sorry. There's the beard balm. Hey, can you stop for just a moment so I can film this video? Thank you, baby. Yeah, I'm going to get you in here in just a moment. Okay, so if you're unfamiliar with Chesapeake Beard Co., Gary Lewis is the owner, and he is a veteran. He served in the United States Marine Corps. So Semper Fi, Devil Dog, I think what you're doing is freaking phenomenal, and I am a huge fan of your company and what you're doing. They are made in the USA, based at Indian Head, Maryland. Maryland, sorry. They do offer 100% satisfaction guarantee, and you can find them at www.ChesapeakeBeard.com. All of their products are handcrafted, which I think is awesome, where they work on it themselves. They don't have a co-packer, they don't have any of that stuff. Alright guys, sorry, small little camera issue. Like I said, they don't use a co-packer, they do everything themselves, which I think is freaking phenomenal. Now, Gary created the company with one huge goal in mind, to provide the best products and services imaginable. They're not defined by gimmicks or any nonsense crap like that. They let the products speak for themselves, and that's what drives a whole bunch of stuff there. Now, every product is based off of hundreds of hours of research and testing, so it's not like they just go, okay, we're going to throw something at you and hope it works. No, it goes through tests, and everyone they put out that I've had so far, and speaking of them, this is the 4th one of theirs I've brought to the channel. Look up top. You're going to see a link to every single beard, skin, hair care product I've ever brought. You're going to find 3 of Chesapeake Beard Co. in there.
Hey, why put a puppet toy in a Hot box?
Baby, I don't know. Okay, so like I said, this was a very limited run. And this is why I'm bringing it to the channel. It's not to go, haha, I got one. Gary donated every single penny to this family. Now, that's just almost unheard of, where you put so much out of your pocket to sell, and it's not like, well, I'm going to regroup, you know, the net or anything like that. No, it's every single thing from, every single bit of proceeds from this went right to God, I hope I'm saying it right, Araya's family, to help combat, you know, the bills and help try to get them ahead and help try to get them going. Now, usually in a video like this, I'm going to give you, you know, like, what are the carrier oils? You know, what's this? What's that? I didn't get those copied down like I should have, and when I went looking for Dan C. Bearded's video, because they did a live stream where you could donate, you know, to the cause, I know he talked about it in there, but for some reason, I can't find that video. So I can't tell you the carrier oils, but I'm going to be able to tell you. It's got like a... To me, it smells like an orange creamsicle. Seriously, it really does. I can pick up vanilla and citrus scents, and it's not a massive punch you in the face, but it's got a great medium scent strength to it. It coats incredible, and the smell lasts forever and ever. I mean, this is basically my second day of using it. I just got this yesterday, and I'm filming this basically 5/21/19. So, you know, I'm in love with it. And if you're able to get one, good on you. You know? Here's the Balm, by the way. I only started using it today, and I have to tell you, it is seriously buttery smooth. It had no problem emulsifying. I mean, I swear to God, I thought it was a beard butter, not a beard balm. It just, wow. And it's even got a great smell in there, too. I mean, for me, I guess that's one of the reasons why I've never been a big balm guy, because the stuff somehow doesn't translate from oil to balm as awesomely as it is with the oil. But for this one, I had to get it just to support the cause. And, I mean, I love how one of the big marketing things for this was, and I agree with it, sometimes life is about more than just ourselves. And I love the fact that Gary happily gave back to his son's, you know, friend. And, I mean, you can even see it right down there, you know, designed by Kellen. Oh, excuse me, created with a K, which I think is really freaking cool.
Where's the only information?
I don't know, baby. So, I'm going to try to keep this one kind of, you know, short and sweet. Because, well, I really can't tell you too much more other than I'm very happy I got it. I'm very happy I can support the cause. You know, I'm flattered I was able to get it because I was like, oh, well, I hope it's there on this day. Money came in. I went, bam, pull the trigger. I was like, oh, thank God I got it because, wow, it smells incredible. Kellen, buddy, you did awesome, man. And I don't know how much Dad had in helping you with, like, scents going together and mixing things well. But, bro, you killed it, little man. You just absolutely killed it. And this is the part in the video where I'm going to do the usual. If you guys have French Krush, I would like to know exactly what you think of it. You know, or just what you think of what Kellen did. Because I'm not going to be able to leave a link to this. It's gone. It's sold out. It's gone. I don't know if Gary's going to do another run. But hey, it's amazing if you got it. I guess I got the 50th bottle. So I'm cool. But also, I want to know questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, like usual, down below. You know, we're going to have a pretty good discussion about this because it smells incredible. And it's a great cause. It was a great fundraiser. And like I said, this video is not to go, I got one. It's to go, damn, Kellen, you got a future, bro. Way to go, man. But now, with all that fun stuff being said, we're going to go right to the wrap-up. Man, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, like I said in the very beginning of the video, thank you so much for giving me some of your time. I know it's your most precious commodity, and I'm very, very flattered that you gave part of it to me. Hopefully in future videos, I'll be able to earn more of it. And yes, you can hear the cuteness factor going crazy in the background, because she's mad at me that she wasn't in this video, so she's making all kinds of noise. So everyone give her a big thumbs up for, you know, being a great little distraction. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here's your second chance at redemption, because we here on the channel wholeheartedly believe in redemption. Look down below. Should be in that corner. A big old channel symbol is going to pop up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you subscribe, go ahead and knock out that, you know, bell icon that's right next to it. Why? You know what? That's a great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, too, I believe they're going to be on that side of the screen. If not, they'll be over there. And, you know, you can move the channel symbol to the other side as well. But those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Guys, I can't say enough good things about French Krush. I just can't. But I want to thank you so much for watching. And remember, are you strong?